Welcome to Portion Tech. In this video I will show you some hacks of cars. As you can see that we are washing the car by using pipe, and you can easily wash your car by using this type of pipe. Here is an again washing pipe. So this is a key. By using it you can open your door, and this hack is really very amazing. So you can see here you are using the key and the door is not opening yet now. So here is a cloth. By using that you can clean your car easily. You can see here this is an amazing cloth, a piece of cloth. How to replace a strut move? First of all, remove tire, remove upper nut from swing, remove brake, and then remove both strut nut and bolts. Remove and install the new mount here. Install the strut and tighten the nut. Install the two load strut bolts and tighten brake line bracket and tighten sway bar link. Install tire and perform alignment. How to replace a flat tire? You can see that how complicated it is to replace a door handle on a Toyota. Remove lock cover on the side of the door. Find the right size torque socket, in this case 20. Loosen Torx bolt. Remove key locket assembly. Remove handle by sliding it to the right and out. Remove any broken pieces. Install handle by installing into the slot. Installed key lock assembly and tighten Torx bolt. Install side cover. Now verify that you installed. Do you know what the fastest and painless way to remove tints? It's use a steam. The hot steam quick heats up the tint and cools, so with a bit of patience you are able to remove both tint and glue. So you don't have to spend hours with razor blade. This way a jiffy streamer created for tint remover, but you can also use regularly. How complicated is an oil change on the car? Locate oil drain plug. Use 17mm and remove oil drain plug and the recommended amount of oil. Install engine cover. Install oil cap since the vehicle does not have a dipstick. So by using this trick you can easily open the door of your car. As you can see that this is totally amazing and inspiring trick. By using this trick easily you can change the tire of your car. You can see here. So by using this brush easily you can remove the dust from your tire and surrounding of your tire. So this is an amazing trick to climb up the car.